Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we are looking at the ELEKICO 4-pack 2-feet LED shop lights, which we believe are some of the best long horizontal lights you can add to your workspace, garage, or storage area. If you're searching for efficient lighting that doesn't compromise on brightness or quality, keep watching. The ELEKICO 2-feet LED shop lights are designed to provide high-efficiency lighting, offering 40 watts of power with an impressive 5,600 lumens of brightness. These lights emit a 6,000 daylight white light, creating a bright, comfortable, and productive environment wherever you need it most. Whether it's your garage, attic, basement, or a workbench, this 4-pack ensures your space is well lit. One of the standout features of these lights is their linkable design. With the ability to easily connect the fixtures, you can customize your lighting system to fit your space perfectly. It means you can extend the lighting system if needed, allowing you to illuminate large areas without having to worry about uneven lighting. These lights come with an easy-to-use power cord that includes an on-off switch, adding a layer of convenience by eliminating the need for a separate switch installation. This simple control method is perfect for those who want quick and efficient ways to control their lights. Made from durable aluminum, the ELEKICO LED lights are built to last. Their modern design also ensures that they will look great and blend in well with any space, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your workspace. Plus, with a wattage of 40 watts, these lights are energy efficient, providing ample brightness without using too much power. In terms of installation, these lights are easy to mount and require no additional assembly. Whether you're upgrading your lighting or installing it in a new space, the setup is quick and hassle-free. And with a voltage range of 110 volts, it works perfectly with standard home outlets. For anyone working in areas like basements, small garages, or even large storage spaces, the ELEKICO 2-feet LED shop lights offer outstanding performance and value. Whether you're looking for bright task lighting for a workbench or need more illumination in your attic or garage, this product is sure to meet your needs. If you're interested in upgrading your lighting system and want something reliable, energy efficient, and long-lasting, the ELEKICO LED shop lights are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the latest products.